Hello students, welcome to the topic of how to make a base for a chalk box and assemble it. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to fix the bottom plank of a chalk box.
Materials, tools and equipments. Nails. Smoothing plane. Plywood. Sandpaper. Wood glue. Measure tape. Measuring and marking tools. Pencil. Hammer. Process. Check the bottom plywood piece for its size. Plane the plywood edge to the size 400 into 300 into 5 mm. Mark the tray measurement on the base plywood. Mark the measurement for nailing. Apply Fevicol on bottom surface of chalk box tray properly. Affix the plywood of size 400 into 300 into 5 on the bottom side of the chalk box tray and nail it properly. Smoothen all the surface of the chalk box tray with smoothing plane. Smooth all the surface of the chalk box using sandpaper. Insert the top plank, lid, in provided grooves of the chalk box tray. Finish the chalk box.
In this video, we learn how to make a base for chalk box and assemble it.